If you use Google Chrome every day, you've probably noticed those little hover previews that pop up when you move your mouse over a tab. For some people, they're helpful, but for others, they're distracting, clutter the screen, and just get in the way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable tab hover cards on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick browser setting change that can make Chrome feel cleaner and easier to use. And if you like simple tech tutorials like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the 3 vertical dots to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize the browser to match the way you want to use it. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Appearance. This section contains visual options for Chrome, including things like the theme, font size, and other display-related settings. Now scroll through the main panel until you find the section called Tab Hover Preview Card. Depending on your Chrome version, the wording may look slightly different, but it should be the setting related to tab preview images or hover cards. Once you find it, look for the switch next to Show Tab Preview Images. By default, this may be turned on, which is what causes those preview pop-ups when you hover over tabs. To disable them, simply toggle the switch to the off position. As soon as you do that, Chrome should stop showing those hover cards when you move your mouse across your tabs. This is a nice way to reduce visual distractions and keep your browsing experience more streamlined. If you ever change your mind later, you can always come back to the same setting and turn it back on again in just a second. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.